The Cminds payment add-on gives the ability to charge for posting a question or an answer or both. In this video, we'll cover how to charge users $2 so they can post questions and $2 to post an answer on a forum. You can apply the same idea to charge different prices. Don't forget to configure the payment plugin. This way you can connect it to payment providers such as PayPal or credit card companies. To allow payments, the add-on uses either Easy Digital Downloads or WooCommerce. Both plugins are free and grant access to payment gateways such as PayPal and Stripe. Let's charge users $2 for adding questions and also $2 for answering threads in the forum. To do so, we must create two products inside our payment plugin. The process is similar for both payment plugins. Let's create the $2 question. This demonstration uses EDD, but you can also use the WooCommerce in a similar manner. Head to Admin Dashboard, Downloads, Add New, Add Name, and choose Price. Now do the same to create a $2 answer. In this example, we'll call this product Answers User Answers Question. Now that we have the product prices, we will tell the plugin to turn on payments. We will also tell it which product is meant for each, answers and questions. Head to Admin Dashboard, Answers Pro, Settings, Payments. Make sure your payment provider is selected. Then, toggle Posting Questions, mark Yes and choose the relevant product. In this case, it's Answers User Asks Questions, which costs $2. Toggle Posting Answers and repeat the process. The Payments add-on includes some specific labels. This way, you can adapt all messages related to payments. Head to Settings, Labels, and edit all relevant text. Let's view the final result as the user is redirected to cart when posting a question or an answer.